Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. George. As y'all can see on the left, I have a FlowTron, a bug zapper. On the right, it's a stinger. All the sapping sound that you hear, it's on the FlowTron there. You can see all the little bugs flying by it and getting zapped. I wish I could catch the sparks here. You know, sometimes they catch on fire. And they're both about the same, rated for about half an acre or so. This one's real quiet, but I don't see any bugs falling off of the stinger, and this one just seems to be doing a lot of work. Today was very windy, but the day before I had about 50 bugs, you know, plus minus, you know, on this light, versus probably about 5 to 10 at the most on this one. So neither of the lights have attractant in them or anything like that. You know, I just took them out of the box, mounted them up here, and this one was running for 2 to 3 days while the other one got here through Amazon, and I wouldn't really see a difference. That one over here makes a big difference. I believe these were like $25 on sale from like 40 or 45. Let's see if we can catch some action here. Boom. You know, they just keep going in there. So that's the FlowTron for you. And this is a stinger, just boring. So which one do you prefer? Action or quietness? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I wish I could have shown you the massacre down there, but like I said, it was real windy today and it blew most of the bugs out of the way. This is a FlowTron. I got it from Amazon. eBay sells them, and the other one was a stinger from Home Depot. 25 bucks each. I'll just get the FlowTron. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Y'all have fun. See y'all later. Bye bye.